With regards to performance, if you're running your boat a lot, what we're seeing at the bare minimum is a 10% fuel savings at cruise, with a couple miles an hour better at cruise in order for you to get to your hull quicker and be out on the water longer. As far as top end gains for performance, it really will all depend on the boat, the hull type, the rig, but what we're seeing on the bigger Sportfish center consoles is an average of 2 to 4 miles an hour on the top end, specifically when it comes to catamarans like Freemans and Invincibles. With Grady-Whites and Everglades, we're seeing at least 2 miles an hour better. What we're seeing with go-fast boats, specifically Nortech's Midnight Express boats, between 1 and 3 miles an hour on top end. But at the end of the day, by making your boat bottom more hydrodynamic, you're putting less stress on your engines. You're able to get the plane quicker. What we're seeing is hull shot increases across the range. Go fast, cruisers, sports fish, doesn't make a difference. You're always going to get the plane quicker.